God will not come down from heaven to bless you, okay? God will definitely send somebody to bless you. So when you use all those herbs, you use all those plants. Hello there, so welcome back to my channel. If you're just seeing my face for the first time, this is HBM Organic Beauty. And if you've not subscribed to my channel, what are you waiting for? Subscribe to my YouTube channel, like and share my video, and do not forget to turn on your notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. So today I brought to you a great tutorial, okay? So for those of you that are selling markets or that are selling in the market, if you have a business guy as a boyfriend, you have a businessman as a husband, I've brought to you a soap you can make for your husband or a soap you can make for yourself, okay? So today I'm going to be showing you how you can make a soap I call blessing soap, okay? So if you also sell Kayanmata, you're the type that sells aphrodisiac, spiritual soaps and oil, you can also try this recipe. Believe me, you're going to come back and give me testimony, okay? So today we are making blessing soap. Like every other tutorial I've brought here, I always come and tell you about a particular herb, about a particular plant that you can incorporate into your soap. So right now we're on the series of soap. Very soon we'll be entering the series of perfume and oils. So now we are going to make our soap. I will explain. It's not easy to come and do DIY all the time, you know. So the first plant we'll be using to make our soap is called shawere pepe. Ewe shawere pepe. It is a blessing leaf, okay? I'm going to be dropping the picture up on the screen so that you will see. I actually have some here, but they are not too fresh. They are dried already. Yeah, they are almost dry. So anyway, shawere pepe used to have a flower. You can see the little flower, okay? So I want to use this to make a soap, okay, for my friend. So this ewe shawere pepe, we will also be using another herb or plant that I called ewe anu, okay? Ewe anu. Ewe anu is the meaning of ewe anu is messy leaf or messy plant. It's dry. The one I have is dry. This is ewe anu. The one I have is already dry, so you can use the dry one or the fresh one, okay? But like I used to tell you, if you want to buy all these plants or herbs, just go to markets where they sell herbal medicine. You will see all this there, okay? So the next thing we'll be needing our Ghana black soap or your Joy soap or your Lux soap or your Ghana white soap. You just need a soap, okay? You need a soap to, you know, bind these herbs together. When you pound them, pound it very well in a mortar. When you pound it very well in a mortar, take your soap hard, pound it, incorporate it until your soap will become a paste, okay? Put your soap in a cup, package it in a cup, say your wish, say your prayer, then you have your blessing soap, okay? These leaves, these plants, I just gave you their name. They are plants that attract blessing to you. They are plants that attract blessing to you. When they dash you money, is blessing. When your clients are buying from you, is blessing. When someone do something good for you, is blessing. When God blesses you, is blessing. So when you also use what God has created, the herbs, the plants he has created, to attract these blessings to yourself, God will not come down from heaven to bless you, okay? God will definitely send somebody to bless you. So when you use all those herbs, you use all those plants, okay, you use them you use them and make your wish, say your prayer, God will definitely bless you. So that is how you make your blessing soap. Everybody can use this blessing soap. You and your household can use this blessing soap. Children can use this blessing soap. You can use this blessing soap. Okay, so thank you very much and see you in my next video. Bye.